Welcome back, Future Medicos. In this video, we are going to look at a very good news for candidates interested in CMC Ludhiana. So in fact, I came across some information about increase in seats at CMC Ludhiana about 2-3 weeks ago through a parent. In fact, a parent has highlighted in Facebook that the number of seats has increased. And she has, in fact, directed me to this celebration that is happening in CMC Ludhiana. Then I saw this, that it is in fact an invitation where the college was celebrating a kind of Thanksgiving ceremony. And you can see here that let's come together for worship and give thanks to the Lord for the approval of 100 MBBS seats. And this celebration was happening on 15th November. And you can see the notification from the director of CMC Ludhiana. Of course, at that time, I didn't want to put up this notice because I have not officially seen any notification in NMC. So I didn't share that. And even on CMC Ludhiana website, they have not put up any notification. And on the same day when I checked this invitation, they have also released this year's prospectus. And the prospectus also didn't show any increase in the number of seats. Now, right today, when I was checking CMC Ludhiana website, now they have put up a notice, right? The notice dated 10 December 2021. It reads like this. The MBBS seats in CMC Ludhiana has been increased from 75 to 100 seats for the academic year 2021-2022. That is, this year itself, the number of seats has been increased from 75 to 100. Permission has been received from the National Medical Commission as per the letter dated 6th December 2021. So even though CMC was celebrating in November, probably the official letter came only on 6th December. That's why they didn't update the information bulletin. Now they have updated the information bulletin with the revised seat distribution. That's what I'm going to show you next. So now the category wise number of MBBS seats for 100 seats, I'm going to show you. So category 1, which is considered as open general category, this you can see originally it was only 12 seats. Now it has been increased to 16 seats. So if you are an all India candidate, now the seats has been increased to 5. Earlier it was only 4, now 5. But for Punjab candidates, they have a better increase. From 8, the number of seats has increased to 11. So totally the open general candidates, there are 16 seats, for which only Punjab candidates, there are 11 seats. All India competition, there are 5 seats. Then category 3, which is only for SC/ST candidates from Punjab, the number of seats has increased from 3 to 4. Okay, 1 seat has been increased. The only category where there is no change is the reservation for BC or OBC candidates from Punjab. Here the number of seats remains same as 1 seat. Earlier also it was 1, now also it is 1 seat only. The number of seats in NRI category has also increased from 11 to 15. Okay, now NRI candidates for which anyone who has cleared the NEET exam and an eligible NRI, they can apply all over India. And they have 15 seats. And finally, the Christian minority with service commitment, that is category 2, it has increased from 48 to 64 seats. Okay, so this is the total 100 seats breakdown. Almost every category there is an increase in number of seats except category 4. Now let us look at category 2 and how the category 2 is going to be split between various subcategories. That is category 2A to category 2G. Now, category 2, as you all know, Christian minority with service commitment. The first category is category 2A, which is only for Christian candidates from Punjab. Then category 2B is typically southern states, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Puducherry, Tamil Nadu, Telangana. And category 2C is Goa, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Daman and Diu, Dadra Nagar Haveli, Rajasthan, Lakshadweep. Category 2D, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Orissa, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Category 2E, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Uttarakhand, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim, Tripura. And category 2F is for candidates from Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Delhi, Haryana, and Chandigarh. And finally, the category 2G, which is mainly for candidates sponsored by CMC Ludhiana and its outreach centers. So these are the candidates that are directly sponsored by CMC Ludhiana. In case the candidates could not find any kind of recommendation in category 2A to 2F, those Christian candidates can apply under category 2G. Now let us look at the breakdown for each of these categories. Category 2A now offers 20 seats. If I'm not wrong, earlier it used to be 15, now it is 20 seats. Category 2B to category 2F, right? These 5 categories, they offer 8 seats each. Earlier it used to be only 6, now it has been increased to 8. And finally, category 2G has been increased from 3 to 4 seats. I think earlier it was 3, now it is 4. So totally you can see that category 2 offers 64 seats. So overall, whoever has registered with CMC Ludhiana, either under category 2, or if you have registered with BFUHS under the general category, everyone should find it a happy news. And if you are interested in CMC Ludhiana, you get a better chance now to obtain a seat in CMC Ludhiana. My best wishes to you. Anyway, for those who have not registered, of course, the registration has closed both for CMC Ludhiana as well as for Baba Farid University. You cannot register anymore for this year unless they reopen the registration. But this information is more useful for candidates for next year and for those candidates who have registered already for this year. Okay. Thank you. My best wishes. I see you soon in some other video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.